If you're watching this video, my guess is that you want to invest in treasury bills or treasury bonds in Kenya. And of course, government securities are one of the safest investment options because they're backed by the state. But before you even start investing in treasury bills or treasury bonds, you first need to create a DHOWCSD account with the Central Bank of Kenya. So in this video, I'll take you through the steps of creating a DHOWCSD with CBK. So before you even get started, I want to outline some of the documents or things that you need to complete this process. The first one, you need your identifier. That can be your ID, passport, alien ID, or your Huduma card. The second thing that you need is your KRA PIN. And the third document or thing that you need is a photo. And lastly, you need your phone number that is registered with your ID number. Before you even get to the step number 1, please take 3 seconds just to help me grow this channel by hitting the subscribe button and also liking this video. So let's get to the step number 1. So on your browser, type Central Bank of Kenya, then click enter. Click on this link, and once you are here, click on invest, then DHOWCSD portal. Click on it, then click on this link, then you are taken to this page, and here you are given 2 options. If you already have a CSD account, you can click here, but for us we want to create a new account, so let us click here. Then here you need to enter your details, your email, your username, and your preferred password. So let me create. As you can see, there are 5 steps to complete this process, and there is entering your details, then contact details, settlement details, documents. So let's start by clicking fill in data, and for the user type, choose physical person. Then at the disclaimer here, I will not be using my real names, so what I will be typing here, either my name or even the birthday they are not real for privacy reasons. So enter your name. Then on the economic sector, you're given different options. There is all these options, social security fund, but I will go with household. Then for the gender, male, and enter your birth date here, your year of birth, your month, the month of birth, and the day, the exact day. Then select your identifier. This can be your passport, your national ID, alien ID, or your Huduma number. So I will use ID number, so enter the ID number here. This is not my ID number, and then choose here. I forgot to choose the ID number as the national ID as the identifier. Then for the resident status, I'm a resident of Kenya, then choose Kenya again here. The rest is except the KRA PIN. All the other sections are optional, you don't have to fill. So the next of kin, the contact of the next of kin, all these are optional, you don't have to enter them. The tax exemption, and here you can choose the NSC broker. There are many options. You're given several options, including there are many like Equity Bank. All those options are there. If you have a broker, you can just check and they will be added there, but I don't believe it's a must. So go ahead, once you have entered your KRA pin, go ahead and click next. On this page, you need to enter your contact details. Here is your main phone number, and it's important because some of the details you can receive, you will be receiving some of the updates through your phone, through your SMS. So you need to enter your phone number and your address. That's Kenya, but the remaining ones are optional. You don't have to enter, but you can choose to fill in your state, your address, your state, city, postal code, street and street number, and even postal address, just to be on the safe side if you choose so. So once you're done, click next. So on the next page, this is where you enter your settlement details, and this is the bank account that you'll use to make payments for your successful bids and also receive your initial investment and also your interest payments. To enter the investment settlement account or your bank account name, the account name. So head here and choose your bank. I'll choose Absa Bank. Then enter the bank account number, your bank account number. Then I will enter the account name. Once you're done, click next and proceed to the next page. So on the next page, you are required to enter your documents, including your photo and your identification document, your KRA PIN certificate and tax exemption certificate. The last two are not mandatory, so you can choose either to upload them if they apply to you. But for the client photo and the identification document, they are mandatory. You have to upload them. So for the photo, you can upload in different formats like PNG, JPG, JPEG and PDF. And for the ID, you can upload in different formats like PNG or JPG, JPEG or PDF. And remember, in this category, you have to upload the front and the back side of your ID. So, and you are required just to upload one file, a maximum of one file per this category. So you must combine both sides of your ID in one file, and the best way to do it is just to copy and paste your ID, the front and the back side, on a Word document. Then you can convert the Word document to PDF using an app. You can find the Word PDF to PDF converter at Google. So once you're done, proceed and click next. So let me upload my documents and then I can proceed to the next step. This is the final step of email validation, and you need to check your email and paste the token that you have received from DHOWCSD from CBK. So go ahead and check your email. I'll do that. Then click verify, and here, as you can see, you'll be redirected to the login page. Use the username and the password that you entered, then click login, and now you have created the DHOWCSD account. Remember, your account is pending approval in the CSD. Until the profile is approved, you cannot make any further modification. So you cannot access, as you can see, you cannot access some of the sections like portfolio, transaction, transaction, portfolio, dashboard, and all other and you can see this. I believe this is just a demo for demonstration. You can learn from this. You can just check just to see how securities are issued or are listed, and just like this one is a treasury bond, the issue number, the currency, and all other information is listed there for that treasury bond. So you can just go through and see what's in there. So remember to validate your phone number. You receive a code will be sent to your phone number, and once you receive it, enter it here, just confirm it and submit the code. So I've requested mine, but I've not received it, so I will leave this option and go to other things. And on this part, the notifications part is an important one, because you will receive notification about your account and your bids and the instructions, and also information about the upcoming auctions. You can receive them through your email or your SMS. So because I've not validated my phone number, the selection is by default, all the boxes are checked email, because I've not validated my phone number. But once you have validated your phone number, the other section will be activated, and you can check these boxes for SMS, and you can receive the notifications through your phone. So let's proceed and view demo data. And as you can see, this is just the data below is just demo data to showcase the usability of this application. You can go to your account, but it may not contain any data yet. So you can see the bids. This is pending approval, and this is invalid and cancelled. So let's you can see the auction name and the ICN number, the issue number, then the face amount, the competitive offer, and the last auction, and the status of your bids here. This is a good example to learn from. You can just check before your account is verified. Let's go to the dashboard. You have all this information about your account, the total holdings, and your portfolio per currency, Kenyan shillings, the USD and euro, and all this information. You can just check this the data just to get used to it before your account is verified. The instructions, then the auctions. Remember, this is just demo data. So it's just to show you how the application works. Yeah, here is all this information, like the start date and the end date, and this is the maturity, length, the duration of that treasury, the government security. I want to place one bid just to see if it can work. So let's go ahead. Let's enter our face value. As I want to enter 100k. Then our rate, this is a competitive bid, 14%. let's leave this demo data account number as default. For the source of funds, you are given two options, local or offshore. I'll go with local, and you have to specify the specific source of funds. That can be the maturing T-bill or T-bond, others or salary. And for the others, you have to provide additional information. You have to enter specific source of funds. And so I will go with salary, then click next to place the bid. And here you asked, are you sure you want to place the bid with the following information? Just cross check. I believe this is this provide you the opportunity to cross check the information to ensure it's accurate. Once it's accurate, the rate, your amount, everything, once you check, you can now place the bid, and your bid was placed successfully. Let's close. That was just for demonstration. It's not a real investment, so you can come here and try out just to learn before you decide to invest, before your account is verified or validated. So that's all from me today. I hope you have learned a lot from this video, and I wish you the best if you choose to invest in treasury bills or treasury bonds in Kenya. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel so you never miss any of my videos. See you in the next video.